Welcome to Education Hub for Kids. A for apple. B for balloon. C for cow. D for doll. E for eagle. F for file. G for generator. H for hammer. I for injection. J for jigsaw. K for kit. L for lamp. M for mosquito. N for numbers. O for ornaments. P for popcorn. Q for quiver. R for ribbon. S for sandals. T for tent. U for urn. V for vegetables. W for whistle. X for Xmas tree. Y for yarn. Z for zip. Please subscribe our channel for new videos.